Before you download the Fomi app, you might want to hear this because not everything about it is as straightforward as it looks. Fomi has been getting attention lately, promising an easy and convenient experience. But when you actually look closer, the reality sits somewhere in the middle. The app itself is simple to use, and at first glance, it feels smooth and beginner-friendly, which is a good sign. However, once you spend some time exploring it, a few things start to stand out. Some users report decent experiences, saying it works as expected, while others raise concerns about inconsistencies, especially when it comes to performance and reliability over time. There are moments where the app delivers on its promises, but there are also situations where it feels a bit underwhelming or unclear in how certain features actually function. Another thing worth noting is the overall trust factor. While it doesn't scream scam immediately, it also doesn't fully build strong confidence either, mainly because of mixed feedback and a lack of complete transparency in some areas. So is Fomi legit or a scam? Right now, it falls into a gray zone. It's not something you should blindly trust, but it's also not something that can be completely dismissed. The smartest approach is to stay cautious, avoid putting in anything valuable up front, and test it carefully if you decide to try it.